That's a baby.
There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog. I'm so excited. We are going to be scooting along. I don't know what to say. It is a Vlogmas day 7, so I have a lot of things to do, and I'm just drinking black coffee because I ran out of creamer. So it's going to be a strong coffee day. Anyways, okay, so today, what are we doing today? I said in my other video, I think it was day 3 or day 4, that we were going shopping for a dress for the wedding. I forgot to edit that out. I did not do that day because we were just dealing with the power outage and everything else. And I just had so much laundry and cleaning and all that stuff. So today, on my day off, we are actually going dress shopping for the wedding on Saturday. I hope you guys are fine with this pre-recorded video. I'm filming this on Thursday, my day off, so yeah. This is literally so hot, I can't even drink it. Okay, so we are going to, I'm giving myself a $50 limit. I'm going to give myself like a $100 limit and try to stay in between the $50 and the $80. Because I might need to buy black heels. I have nude ones. Okay, so these are the 2 pairs of shoes that I have. These are the nude ones I wore for my college graduation. These are so cute. I got these from Target. Honestly, you guys, like, I was looking at these like a year before I graduated. I was like, I'm gonna get those shoes, and then I just did, and I freaking love these shoes so much. They are so pretty, and they are so easy to walk in. They are perfect. I only wore them once. So I really want to wear these again. So I'm going to have to find a dress that matches these heels. I added ones that are so cute as well. I didn't get to wear these this summer just because I never did anything fun. These are just like camel brown chunky little heels. I love these, but these kind of hurt the back of my feet. So I'm going to have to like get jelly covers or something. They zip up in the back. So cute. They have a little buckle. Yeah, so these are the 2 shoes that I'm basing my dress off of. So yeah, I'm going to turn the little fireplace music on, get ready. I'm just gonna do like my eyebrows and mascara today. I'm not really feeling any other makeup. I haven't been feeling any other makeup lately. And I think I want to keep my hair up. I don't know for sure yet, but yeah. So maybe I'll do a speed up of it. But you guys have seen me do my makeup already. So I hope you guys stick around and watch my adventuring now into a new town that I haven't been to, shopping for a dress. So please subscribe, and let's get on to doing my hi guys. So I'm gonna show you the candles that I got from Bath & Body Works, from the Bath & Body Works sale. I bought 9 of them. Yeah, 9. Also, I just got out of work, so that's why I look a hot mess. So, here we go. Also, I'm leaving for the night. So the first one I got is the Marshmallow Fireside. I love this one. I almost didn't get it because it smells so strong in the store, but when you burn it, it smells fine. And this was really cute. The big old box. So I got there at like 8, I want to say. I was gonna go at like 6:30, but then I convinced myself not to and that they wouldn't be busy, but turns out they were. So the first one I got was Paris, or the second one I got was Paris. This one is so cute. I had to get this one. It smells like coffee beans, and I made sure to get the snowy lid because that's really cool. Yep, this is the cafe. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it's really pretty. And then I got the Mary Cookie. This one smells so good. I need to pick up another one before the end of their sale, or before the end of December, because I need this. I need another. This smells like a sugar cookie. Oh yeah, and you can smell the frosting, you can smell the sprinkles. It smells really good. The next one that I got is hot buttered rum. It's really pretty. This smells like a cinnamon roll with syrup. It sounds weird, but it smells really good. I really like this one. And then, okay, and then I got the cereal marshmallow bar. This is the one I really wanted. I almost bought it at midnight, but then I was like, I'll wait till I go in the morning. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. So when I went to the sale, waiting, literally it was so packed that you have to wait in line and then shop while you're waiting in line because the lines were so long. Like, there was no use of just shopping. You had to literally step in line, and once you get around to the candles that you want, you just pick them up. But this one was sold out online the morning of, and I freaked out because I really wanted this one because I love marshmallows. And then when I got to the store, I like almost cried because I really wanted this, and the ladies that were working, they were saying they were sold out before they even opened the store, which makes me wonder if the workers bought all of those candles before they opened the store. That sounds like or a scandal to me. So but anyways, this does not smell like marshmallows at all. I'm really sad. It said it has a scent of fruity rainbow cereal, sticky marshmallow fluff, confetti sprinkles, and essential oils. No. This, all it smells like is Fruit Loops. That's it. So hopefully when it burns, I hope that it smells like marshmallows and sprinkles like the Mary Cookie does. I hope. The next one I got was First Frost, and look at the packaging. It is so beautiful. This smells like my boyfriend's cologne, and it smells really good. So I picked it up. And then, you know, I had to get a champagne toast. I just had to pick this up. This is my all-time favorite. If I had enough, I would burn it all year round, but I don't. So I really need to pick up more before the end of the year. I love champagne toast so much. And then, oh my gosh, this one. Peace. Vanilla Bean Noel. This smells like marshmallows. It literally smells like this gooey marshmallow one. So I'm gonna have to pick up another vanilla bean because this smells delicious. So, and then last but not least, I picked up London. I just had to. I had to keep going with the theme. And this smells like, it's called Tea and Biscuits, but it really smells like limoncello, if I'm being honest, which it says iced lemon and buttery shortbread. So I I can smell both of those, which is lemon and shortbread. But it really just smells like limoncello. So yeah, these are all of the candles that I got.